Do you want to have really cool widgets just like this one on top your calendar on your iOS device? Well, you can use Widgetsmith in iOS 14 and use that and customize it however you want. All you gotta do is go on the App Store and download this app. It's called Widgetsmith. When you do, I already did that. I'm using the free version. You have a lot of customizable abilities and options. For example, you have small widgets, medium widgets, large widgets, and some extras if you have the premium version. So you can click on a medium widget just like this. When you tap on it again, you can customize it. It can show just the date, the day, the month and the date, the day and the date, which is what I chose, month and date, week number, big day, some photos, and so on. So when you choose something, for example, I chose this one, I just save it as I just did, and then you just gotta go on the app. For example, now it's called Widgetsmith. You hold on it, and then you'll have this option, the plus option. Click on it, and then you have Widgetsmith here. You click on it, and then you can choose a small, medium, or large option. And you have widgets, really cool widgets, and a customizable home screen just like that. Give this video a like if it helped you out.